Good morning, students. Now let us continue based on limits and continuity. Observe the question. See that question number 46 belongs to continuous problem. Now here the question. Observe it. The question is f of x is equal to 3x minus 4 where x lies between 0 to 2 and 2x plus lambda if 2 less than x less than or equal to 3 is continuous at x is equal to 2, then the value of lambda is 4 options. Now here inequalities are given, so what can you do? Observe the inequalities. Now observe it. Now what are the same values? Now here 2 is the same number, so what can you do to find LHL and RHL? Now here LHL is equal to definition of LHL, limit of f of x as x tends to 2 minus is equal to limit as x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means select the function f of x such that x is less than 2. Yaudide first one. So its corresponding value is 3x minus 4. Okay. Now put x equal to 2. 3 2s are 6 minus 4, that is 2. Then to find RHL. So RHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 2 plus, that equals limit x tends to 2 plus, select the function f of x such that x is more than 2. Here 2 less than x is same as x more than 2, its corresponding value is 2x plus lambda. Okay, put x equal to 2, 2 2s are 4 plus lambda. Since the given function is continuous, by definition of continuity, LHL is equal to RHL. Okay, now here LHL value is 2 is equal to RHL is 4 plus lambda. Therefore, lambda is equal to 2. That 4 goes to right side, minus 4, that is minus 2. So option option A is the right answer. Okay. Next question number 47. If f of x is equal to x square plus 1 if x less than or equal to 0 and 2 minus x if x is more than 0, then which of the following is true? Now here option A, it is continuous for all x. Option B, f of x as x tends to 0 does not exist. And option C, limit of f of x as x tends to 0 is 1. And option D is f of x is not defined for all x. Okay. Now here first to find out the LHL and RHL. See what happened. LHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 0 minus is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus. Now select the function f of x such that x is less than 0 value x square plus 1. Okay, put x equal to 0, that is 1. Then to find RHL, so limit of f of x as x tends to 0 plus, that equals limit x tends to 0 plus, that is 2 minus x. Put x equal to 0, 2. Observe it. LHL is 1, RHL is 2. Are they equal? Clearly LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore it is not continuous. So option A is wrong answer. Okay, option A Barodilla. Then limit of f of x as x tends to 0 does not exist. It is exist. Then option B is also not right answer. Then go for option C. Nodri option C nodri ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? So to find limit of f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to x tends to 0 is equal to f of 0 ತಾನೆ. Okay. Now here limit of f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to f of 0. ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Here x is less than or equal to 0. ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? So its value is limit f of x value x square plus 1 as x tends to 0 is equal to f of 0. This implies here put x is 0, 1 is equal to f of 0. So that limit of f of x as x tends to 0 is 1. So option C is right answer. Okay. Then question number 48. Let f of x is equal to 1 minus cos px divided by x sin x if x is not equal to 0 and f of x at x equal to 0 is 1 by 2. If the function is continuous at x equal to 0, then the value of p. Now here what can you do? Apply condition number 2 for continuity. What is condition number 2? Limit of f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to f of 0. Now this implies limit x tends to 0. What is f of x? 1 minus cos px divided by x sin x is equal to f of 0. F of 0 value is that is given. Okay. Now put x is 0. The given data it is in the form indeterminate 0 by 0. So simplify. There are two methods. First method is by using L'Hospital rule, differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Okay, this is one method. Another method is, so how to solve this? Now here limit, another method, x tends to 0, 1 minus cos px divided by x sin x can be written as, we can write x square sin x divided by x. Observe it, 1x cancel, it will become same term. Okay, is equal to f of 0 value 1 by 2. This implies, now here limit of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 minus cos px divided by x square, its value is, that is p by 2. Okay, p by 2, that is p square by 2, sorry, p square by 2, and here sin x by x as x to 0 value is 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Then simplify, p square is equal to cross multiply 2 by 2, that is 1. Therefore p is equal to plus or minus 1. This is one method. So option yavudatangandrile, option A is the right answer. So another method, so by using L'Hospital rule, how to solve? Another method, limit of x tends to 0, 1 minus cos px divided by x sin x is equal to f of 0 value 1 by 2. Now differentiate numerator and denominator separately. So derivative of 1 0, derivative of minus cos px is minus sin px minus into minus plus sin px into derivative of px is p divided by derivative of x sin x, here product of two functions. First function as it is x, derivative of sin x is cos x, plus second function as it is sin x into derivative of x is 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Now put x is 0, what happen? P into 0 0, sin 0 is 0, 0 into any number is 0, sin 0 is 0, again it is in the form 0 by 0. So once again what can you do? Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. So this implies limit x tends to 0, differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Now here p as it is, p constant as it is, derivative of sin px is cos px into p, okay, divided by, here product of two functions, apply product rule. First function x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, plus second function as it is cos x into derivative of x is 1, plus derivative of sin x is cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Now put x is equal to 0. P into p, that is p square cos p into x value 0, okay, divided by, put x is 0, 0 into that number is 0, plus cos 0 is 1, again cos 0 is 1 is equal to 1 by 2. So this implies p square, p into 0 0, cos 0 is 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore cross multiply, p square is equal to 2 to cancel 1, or p is equal to plus or minus 1. Note L'Hospital rule solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, or that using that formula. ಯಾವ formula? Now here 1 minus cos px divided by x square, as x tends to 0, its value is p square by 2. So that option ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ option A is the right option. Okay. Then question number 49. ಏನಿದೆ 49 question? let f of x equal to x square if x less than or equal to 0, and ax plus b if x is more than 0, then the values of a and b for which the function f of x is continuous on R. Okay, now to find the value of a and b. Now here inequalities are given, less than as well as more than. So what can you do to find LHL and RHL? Now LHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 0 minus, that equals limit x tends to 0 minus, select the function f of x such that x is less than 0, corresponding value is x square. Okay, now put x is equal to 0, 0 square is 0, then take RHL, limit of f of x as x tends to 0 plus, that is limit x tends to 0 plus, select the function f of x such that x is more than 0, corresponding value is ax plus b. ax plus b. Put x equal to 0, this is 0, that is b. Okay, now since it is continuous, by definition of continuity, LHL is equal to RHL. Now LHL is 0, RHL is b, therefore b is equal to 0. So b is equal to 0 ಆದ್ರೆ a value ಏನಿರಬಹುದು? Is it 1? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, a value ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 into x value 0, 0 plus b, b. ಹೌದಾ? So option A right answer ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Or option B, or option C, or option D. So A is any number. Now b is equal to 0, obviously a is any real number. So option ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Option D is the right option. Okay. Question number 50. Now here the question is, let f of x equal to root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x divided by x as the value which should be assigned to f at x equal to 0 so that it is continuous everywhere. Means f of x at x equal to 0 value how much? That is the question. So how to solve? Now here apply definition of continuity. Now here limit of f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to f of 0 implies limit of f of x value root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x, okay, divided by x as x tends to 0 is equal to f of 0. To find f of x at x equal to 0. So put x is 0, see what happened? The given data it is in the form indeterminate, 0 by 0. So what can you do? Shortcut method, differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Now derivative of root, you know, 1 divided by 2 into root of 1 plus sin x into derivative of 1 plus sin x is cos x. Whereas derivative of root 1 divided by 2 into root of 1 minus sin x into derivative of 1 minus sin x is minus cos x. Okay, divided by derivative of x is 1. Okay. Next, 2 into root. Then put x is equal to 0. Put x is 0. See what happened? Cos 0 divided by 2 into root 1 plus sin 0. Minus into minus plus. Cos 0 divided by 2 into root 1 minus sin 0 is equal to f of 0. Right? Then simplify. So cos 0 value 1 divided by 2 root 1 plus sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1 by 2 root 1 minus sin 0 is 0 is equal to f of 0. So implies 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 that is equal to f of 0. Therefore f of 0 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 1. So f of x at x equal to 0 is 1. So option A is the right option. Okay. Next question number 51. So if a function f of x equal to sin 3x by x if x is not equal to 0 and f of x at x equal to 0 is k by 2 is continuous at x equal to 0, then the value of k is, now here already the given data it is continuous function, so that to find the value of k, definition of continuous function, limit of f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to f of 0, right? Implies limit of f of x value sin 3x divided by x as x tends to 0. F of 0 value is k by 2. Put x is 0, the given data it is in the form 0 by 0. So differentiate numerator and denominator separately using L'Hospital rule, or another method is, now here sin 3x divided by x can be written as 3x into 3, right? That 3 cancel, it will become same term, is equal to k by 2. But you know that limit of sin theta by theta form, ಇದು same ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, limit of sin theta by theta as theta tends to 0 value is 1 into 3 is equal to k by 2. Therefore k is equal to cross multiply 3 2s are 6. So the value of k is 6. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Then question number 52. No, the number of points at which the function f of x equal to 1 divided by log mod x is discontinuous. How many points such that the function f of x is discontinuous? No, ಹೇಗೆ solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ discontinuous ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ the given data is not defined. Now f of x is not defined. ಯಾವಾಗ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ f of x is not defined? If x is equal to 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, see what happen if x is equal to 0, what happen, f of x is equal to 1 divided by log mod x value 0, log 1 divided by log mod 0 is 0, log 0 is 0, 1 by 0 not defined. ಹೌದಾ? So 1 point. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ x value, if you take x is equal to 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, f of x is equal to 1 divided by log mod 1, that is 1 by log mod 1 is 1, that is 1 by log 1 is 0, right? So again 1 by 0 not defined, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, if you take x is equal to -1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 1 divided by log of mod -1, that is 1 divided by log modulus of -1 is again +1, so 1 by log 1 is 0, 1 by 0 again not defined. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು values ಬರುತ್ತಾ, if you take x is 2, that is log 2 is some value that is not defined. Okay, is it defined or not? Yes, it is defined. So defined ಆಗದೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ values ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೆ x equal to 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ f of x is not defined, x is 1, f of x is not defined. If you take x is -1, again f of x is not defined. So how many points? 0, 1, -1. There are 3 points. So option ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So option is C option, that is 3. So the number of the points, total number of points is 3, such that the function f of x is equal to 1 by log mod x is discontinuous. Clear, students? Okay. Question number 53. The value of the constant k so that the function f defined below is continuous at x equal to 0, f of x equal to 1 minus cos 4x divided by 8x square. If x is not equal to 0, whereas f of x at x equal to 0 is k, then the value of k is 4 options. Now here apply the definition of continuity function. So limit of f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to f of 0. That is limit as x tends to 0, f of x value 1 minus cos 4x divided by 8x square is equal to f of 0 is k. Now here definition of limit, put x is 0, what happened, the given data it is in the form 0 by 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ. So what can you do? Now here differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of 1 0, derivative of minus cos 4x is minus sine, minus into minus, plus sine 4x plus sine 4x into derivative of 4x is 4 divided by derivative of 8x square is 16x is equal to k. Again put x equal to 0, what happened? 4 into 0, 0. Sine 0 is 0. 0 into 4, 0 divided by 16 into 0, 0. Again it is in the form 0 by 0, right? Now once again differentiate numerator and denominator separately using L'Hospital rule. So 4 constant, derivative of sine 4x is cos 4x into derivative of 4x is 4 divided by derivative of 16x is 16 is equal to k. Okay, now here 4, that 4 into 4 16, 16 cancel, put x equal to 0, cos 4 into 0 is equal to k, therefore cos 4 into 0 is 0 is equal to k, therefore the value of k is cos 0 value 1. So option A is the right option. Okay. 54th question. So if f of x is equal to, if f of x is equal to 1 divided by x minus 1, then the points of discontinuity of the composite function f of x is x equal to 1 and x equal to 2, x equal to 0 and x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and x equal to 0, none of these. So again it is discontinuity. So discontinuity avakara infinite value. So it is not defined. Now here f of x is equal to 1 divided by x minus 1. Idi yavaga define agodilla. This is not defined when the condition, if you take x is equal to 1. No, x value 1 hakidare 1 minus 1 0. Any number of 1 0 not defined. X is equal to 1. We got 1 point. So ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ದಲ್ಲಿ x equal to 1 ಇದೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ x equal to 1 ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. This is f of x. Now here f of x is equal to f of, what is f of x? That is 1 divided by x minus 1. That is f of that value 1 divided by x minus 1, call it as p, where p is equal to 1 divided by x minus 1. Right? Now, since f of x is equal to 1 by x minus 1, instead of x, here the term p, replace x by p. See what happened? 1 divided by p minus 1. Correct? So 1 by, but the value of p is 1 by x minus 1 minus 1. That is 1 by, in the denominator, take the LCM. LCM is here x minus 1. So here 1 minus 1 into x minus 1, x minus 1. That is equal to, then simplify, that equals 1 divided by 1 minus x minus into minus plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So that term goes to numerator, that is x minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, 2 minus x. Therefore, f of x value ಏನಾಯಿತು? That is x minus 1 divided by 2 minus x. Now again, this is not defined. ಯಾವಾಗ define ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ? Condition. If the condition x is equal to 2, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x value 2 ಹಾಕಿ 2 minus 2, 0, any number upon 0, not defined, so that it is not defined when x equal to 2. So first point, x equal to 1, which is not defined, and x equal to 2 is not defined, so that option ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Option A is the right option. Okay, next question. The function f of x is equal to, the function f of x equal to root 2 cos x minus 1 divided by cot x minus 1, x is not equal to pi by 4, then the value of f of pi by 4, so that the function f of x is continuous at x equal to pi by 4. Okay, it means to find the value of f of pi by 4. Okay, now here limit of f of x as x tends to pi by 4 is equal to f of pi by 4. Definition of continuity implies limit of f of x value is f of x value ಏನಿದೆ root 2 f of x value root 2 into cos x minus 1 divided by cot x minus 1 is equal to f of pi by 4. To find f of pi by 4 implies, now put x equal to 0, see what happened, x equal to not 0, that is pi by 4, the root 2, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, root 2 cancel, 1 minus 1, then cot 45 degree 1 minus 1 0, so it is in the form 0 by 0, right? Then differentiate numerator and denominator separately using L'Hospital rule. So root 2 constant, derivative of cos x is minus sin x minus derivative of 1 constant 0 divided by derivative of cot x is minus cos x square x minus derivative of 1 is 0 is equal to f of pi by 4. Now put x equal to pi by 4 minus root 2 sin pi by 4 means 45 degree divided by minus cos x square 45 degree is equal to f of pi by 4. Now further simplify. So this implies minus root 2 sin 45 degree 1 by root 2 divided by minus cosec 45 degree is root 2. Root 2 square is 2. That root 2 cancel is equal to f of pi by 4. Therefore, f of pi by 4 is equal to minus cancel 1 by 2. So option is there. So which one is right answer? Option C is right answer. Okay. Question number 56. If the function f of x is equal to 2x and the function g of x is x square by 2 plus 1, then which of the following can be discontinuous function? Very simple question. No, when the f of x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, g of x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Now, addition of two function, is it continuous? Is it discontinuous? No. Clearly, addition of two function is continuous function. Similarly, difference of two function is continuous function, as well as product of two function is continuous function. Is it division of two function is continuous function? No. Why? Look here. Now here, if you take g of x divided by f of x, this is discontinuous. Yavagagutte if denominator value is 0. So division of two function is not continuous function. Remaining threes are continuous function. So that option D is the right option. So division of two function is discontinuous function. Okay. Question number 57. If f of x equal to root 1 plus kx minus root 1 minus kx divided by x, if minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0, and f of x equal to 2x plus 1 by x minus 1, if 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 is continuous at x equal to 0, then the value of k is, to find the value of k, so that the function f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Okay. Now to find LHL and RHL at x equal to 0. Now LHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 0 minus is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus. Okay. Select the function f of x such that x is less than 0. So x less than 0 value root 1 plus kx minus root 1 minus kx divided by x. Put x equal to 0, what happened? It is in the form indeterminate 0 by 0. So simplify, apply easiest method using L'Hospital rule. What is that? Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of root 1 divided by 2 root of 1 plus kx into derivative of kx is k minus derivative of root 1 by 2 root of 1 minus kx into derivative of 1 minus kx is minus k divided by derivative of x is 1. Okay. That is equal to put x equal to 0, k divided by 2 into root 1 plus x value 0, 0 into k 0, minus into minus plus k by 2 into root 1 minus k into 0, 0, that is k by 2 plus k by 2, that is 2k divided by 2, that is equal to k. This is LHL. Then to find RHL. So RHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 0 plus is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus means select the function f of x such that x is more than 0. X is more than 0 yavadagutte? Here 0 less than x is nothing but x more than 0. Its corresponding value is 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Put x equal to 0, 2 into 0, 0 plus 1 divided by 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. Therefore, since the function is continuous function, by definition of continuity, LHL is equal to RHL implies LHL value how much? K. RHL is minus 1. So K is equal to minus 1. Which one is right option? Option B is right answer. Okay. Question number 58. The function f of x is equal to kx square if x less than or equal to 2 and f of x equal to 3 if x is more than or equal to 2 is continuous at the point x equal to 2, then the value of k is. That question was asked in 2017 CET. Okay. Now here less than, more than given, so that what can you do to find LHL and RHL? So LHL limit of f of x as x tends to 2 minus, that is limit x tends to 2 minus, select the function f of x such that x is less than 2 value kx square. Okay, put x equal to 2, k into 2 square is 4, that is 4k. Then to find RHL, so RHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 2 plus. So limit x tends to 2 plus, select the function f of x such that x is more than 2 value 3, that equals 3. Since the function is continuous at x equal to 2, by definition of continuity, LHL is equal to RHL. So LHL is 4k, RHL is 3. Therefore, k is equal to divide by 4, that is 3 by 4. So option C, B is the right option. Okay. Question number 59. Again, the function f of x equal to 3x minus 8 if x is less than or equal to 5 and 2k if x is more than 5 is continuous function, then the value of k is equal to. Now again here inequality is given. So what can you do? That is to find LHL and RHL. Now LHL limit of f of x as x tends to a minus, the value of a is 5 minus. So limit x tends to 5 minus, select the function f of x such that x is less than 5 value 3x minus 8. Put x equal to 5. 3 5s are 15 minus 8, that is 7. Then to find RHL, so limit of f of x as x tends to 5 plus. So that is limit x tends to 5 plus, select the function f of x such that x is more than 5, its value is 2k. That is equal to 2k itself, right? Since the function is continuous at x equal to 2, at x equal to 5, by definition of continuity, LHL is equal to RHL. LHL is 7, RHL is 2k. Therefore, k is equal to 7 divided by 2. So option, which one is right option? Option C is the right answer. Okay. If f of x is equal to 3 sin pi x by 5x when x is not equal to 0 and f of x at x equal to 0 is 2k is continuous at x equal to 0, then the value of k is okay. Now here x is not equal to 0 implies either x less than 0 or x more than 0, so that LHL and RHL are same because the function is continuous. So by definition of continuity, limit of f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to f of 0 is defined. but limit of f of x, what is f of x value? 3 sine pi x divided by 5x, right, is equal to f of x at x equal to 0. F of x at x equal to 0 value is 2k. Now here in left hand side put x is 0, what happen? Pi into 0, 0, sine 0 is 0, divide by 5 into 0, 0. It is in the form 0 by 0. So simplify using L'Hospital rule. So limit x tends to 0, differentiate numerator and denominator separately. 3 constant derivative of sine pi x cos pi x into derivative of pi x is pi divided by derivative of 5x is 5 is equal to 2k. Okay, next step, put x is equal to 0. 3 into 3 pi cos pi into x value 0 divided by 5 is equal to 2k. So this implies 3 pi into 0, 0, cos 0 is 1 tane, divided by 5 is equal to 2k. Therefore, k is equal to cross multiply 3 pi divided by 2 5s are 10. So the value of k is 3 pi by 10. So option is there. Yes, option B is the right answer. So my dear students, so these are the problems belongs to limits and continuity. Now that topic is over. Next part is, that is differentiation. We will discuss in next class. Okay students, thank you.